dinner in weeks. So nice. Let's see how it tastes. We're going for a walk and Tyson wants to join us. Hey, yeah. So sweet. Oh my God. Yeah. Oh, you want to come? Whoa. Look at this view, guys. Insane. Oh, and this is our backyard now. Wow. Huh? Pretty. I like it. Alright, this is the end result. So the right pile is what I've worn until now in the last 6 weeks. And the left pile I haven't worn. And that is a bag I keep my dirty clothes in. So that's very handy to bring along. That's for Africa Burn, so I'm just bringing that along and not wearing. Yeah, I'm not too mad about it. Still, it's quite a lot if you see it like this and you look at it. But yeah, we're going to other places where I think I will be wearing this, where we have a little bit more of a city life. But yeah, still you're bringing it along, and I could have done it without it. So yeah, lesson learned. But still, this is it. Coffee break. Okay, we arrived at our new Airbnb. It's really nice. So much nature and green around. I like it. Oh yeah, wow. Whoa. Holy shit.
Very nice.
Whoa. This looks really cute. The outside area. Oh, nice. Oh, hello. Sorry. This is so nice. Oh my God. Really cozy. And I must say, I like it more than the other Airbnb we stayed. It's a bit bigger. And yeah, well, it just has a really nice view. Look at the bed. And everything's so open. This is really nice. Yeah, I mean, look at this. Wow. Really, really nice. Nice. Yeah. All right. Nice. on. Yeah. A giant, how do you call that? What? Oh. 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 A giant bat. Oh, that's it. Oh my god. Ah. Huge. Lekker. Okay, we're off exploring the island a little bit further today, and we came across these water airplanes, and they just landed. So nice! Oh my god! So my fiance wants to check out how expensive it is to do. But yeah, man, you're just in paradise here. It's amazing. It's so beautiful. Oh, insane.
Also grab because we come and play with you with the swim. With that activity, the price is not the price of the boat.
Snel moeten doen.
We're thinking about it. Let's see. Whew. So pretty. Whoa. Look how clear the water is. Wow. So pretty. Hmm?
Parade
Cower. In Hindu language we call it cower.
cower, and they parade and people watch this or something. Ah, okay. Like a sort of carnival.
They go to the lake
Yeah.
collect the water,
Okay.
and go back home, keep walking.
Ah, okay. So the water is like from the Ganges River, is the
Ganga,
belief,
yes,
right?
for
Yeah. Okay.
purifying.
Okay. Okay.
Ze are so busy. Wow. The police, the police. Oh yeah. Oh, whoa. Whoa. Huh?
So how much would you jump?
Nothing.
The movies they were doing.
Yeah, look, this is really high. How many meters you think? At least 15, yeah. You don't see it very well here, but it's pretty high. So beautiful. Whoa. We're on top of it. Whoa. Oh, holy shit. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh my little pigeon. Whoa. Insane. Oh. Furry friend. Hello. Lekker. So we checked the surf. No waves, too tiny, baby waves. Yeah, it's not the season actually for surfing, so we have to be happy with what we get. And if there are waves, we actually just have to go out straight away. But because we don't have our own boards with us, we're dependent on renting the boards. So it's a little bit of a hassle to time it right. But yeah, we're gonna enjoy the beach. I'm gonna temper the urge to want to surf. And we're gonna chill a bit. Okay, we decided we're gonna try it. Even though it's small, we're gonna get some longboards. They're still open. We're gonna give it a try for an hour. I'm just desperate to go in. So I'll just take anything now. So let's see. Okay, we went in and we got some really nice waves. It was really nice. Yeah, it's already looking good. Let's see, I think this is enough. Maybe I'm gonna add the okra, but I think this is enough.
Ching Tao.